How to set up IdentiSee AI analytics. IdentiSee is DW COVA's built-in AI detection. It can accurately detect humans and vehicles. Your DW COVA features an easy-to-use detection area editor that you can use to configure IdentiSee to suit your needs. IdentiSee is compatible with these DW camera models. First, access your COVA's web interface. Click Settings, then click IdentiSee. Use the drop-down menu to select a camera. If your camera is a V-Class or MX95 series, you'll need to click the Enable checkbox. Select your detection targets. IdentiSee can detect humans and vehicles. Please note that motion detection can only be enabled and disabled from IdentiSee. The detection area drawn on IdentiSee only applies to humans and vehicles. To define a detection area for motion, you'll need to go into your camera settings. To draw a detection area for your camera, simply click 6 points on the preview screen to create the shape that you want. You can create up to 4 shapes to define detection areas for your camera. To switch shape layers, click the numbered buttons below the detection area. You can click the Clear button to delete all points on the current layer, or Clear All to delete all points across all layers and start over. Click Apply when you are done configuring settings for your camera. You can view IdentiSee detections from the Home menu by clicking the IdentiSee tab. You can also use the search filters to narrow your results and make it easier to find what you're looking for. For more information, visit digital-watchdog.com.